Good morning, Cali, Colombia. Good nap, right?
Oh, wow. Yeah. I feel rejuvenated.
Yeah, we got about 6.5 hours of sleep from our doubles to our first 3 of trios. We're ready for anything. Need some coffee, get that caffeine in our system. Kyle needs a stretch.
I do. A lot of stretching needs to happen.
We got our first 3 games of trios with KP this morning.
Yep. I'm in.
Not sure how many shots we're going to get just because we're bowling, and I highly doubt people are going to come watch us. I wouldn't come watch us.
I wouldn't come watch us. Hell no.
There might be more shots of Andrew and the 2 lefties. So maybe some girls. We'll see how it goes. 3 games today. I mean, we're going to win the event today. We're going to go 300 over each. Sorry.
I'm just definitely taller than you.
No. Dude. Alright, you're 6 foot and a quarter, and I'm 6 foot.
I think you've grown. I feel like I was like an inch or 2 taller than you, and now I'm like...
Now it's a quarter inch.
Oh, you got shoes on, that's why.
Alright.
Let's go practice and
Let's do it. Catch you later, Dave.
Don't worry about it. What's the game plan for today, buddy?
Stay right with the purple
Is that
hammer.
your messenger you sent the other day?
Yeah, it came all the way back to me. My trophy.
This is mine now. What's the
I like
game?
your one messenger.
Yeah,
it was the one you saw.
Of course.
Game plan is hard and straight, as long as we can. Right there.
Hard and straight.
Like
Look.
him.
Yeah.
Frankie, what's the game plan?
Strike a lot, spare when you don't.
I like that.
That was an issue yesterday.
That was, yeah. I had a problem with both. Damn.
The score you guys are going to get to is -30. Just only 10 pins behind us. Sorry.
I think we're getting to like 200 over.
If you do
There it is. There's
a
800.
person?
Frank and I go even. Yeah, Aaron goes 200 over.
I mean, Darren would be the guy to randomly go 200 over. He's bowling well, though. He went 80 over the other day.
Did.
I mean, that's
Here's the high game in the tournament, I think. 279?
280.
280.
I think he had 280 exact.
High game in the tournament.
It's a lot of
He's on our team.
A lot of pins. A lot
Well,
of pins.
well, just not better than us.
Can't promise that.
What do we think?
They're hard. I shot 197. It feels like 297.
That's a good score.
580. Not bad. It's a good start.
Yeah,
We
it's
gonna
not
have some work to do,
bad.
though.
7 and 8's a tricky pair, but you guys managed.
Yeah.
What do you think, Matt?
I think the black ball is the black ball. And that's the one that's going to strike this week. Purple's no
Say
good
it again.
anymore.
Say it again. The black ball is the black ball.
The purple one doesn't strike anymore.
No.
Just the black
You need a
ball.
new one.
I need a new one, yeah. So anybody out there who has Hopkinsville purple hammers, send them to me.
Well, not a bad start. Let's get a game 2.
Come on.
frames. The first 6 were kind of struggle.
Wrong ball.
Wrong ball. Had 92 in the 6, and then finished with 192 with a gutter spare.
Oh my God, just guttered.
So that was pretty impressive.
Around me.
Kyle's too worried about not losing to this guy.
Yeah.
He's not even bowling against.
Cam's just, Cam's hanging around 190.
Yeah, Cam has gotten some of the worst breaks.
Yeah.
Blower 10, blower 7, stuff 9. Like,
What makes you want to chase something, but you can't really chase anything?
yeah, there's not really a ton of score out there. They're playing pretty hard. And I think for Andrew, he's finally far enough right. I think he tried to chase it a little too far left. Obviously, we're not down there having the conversations with him or anything like that. But
Spared it.
just off of what we're seeing, I think he was just a touch too far left, trying to shape it a little too much, not letting the lane slow the ball down.
Yeah.
So he had a lot of 2 pins the last game. What do you have? 180, 190?
177.
177. So
I think he shoots 300 this game.
okay. We have to 300 on this would be like 450 in a single game. So
He did it at Worlds in Hong Kong. I'm calling it here.
all right. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
You're gonna record every shot
Until he misses.
until he misses. So either a lot of shots or like none.
Yeah. He's coming for you, Kyle.
Butter.
He's coming for you. He's got a lot of peanut butter
So
right now.
I just want to state that I've seen more gutter spares of people playing left of 13 than I ever have in my life.
Trust is a must. Your game is a bust, right?
Facts.
I mean, you had a gutter.
2.
Two. One of them is tape. Quote tape.
Tape.
Coach.
How we doing, Coach? Coaches.
I don't know how you do it. Did you have hair like 10 years ago and you just watched so much bowling? I had hair 6 days ago. Fair.
Hey, Kyle.
Hey, Nick.
Day 2 of trios.
We're here.
We're here. We're ready.
Gray pants.
Gray pants.
Star shirt.
Star shirt. USA, baby. Nice butt. Oh, sorry. USA.
Yeah.
Day 2. Day 1 went okay. Just threw it good. Didn't score. Happens.
Yeah, when they're hard, sometimes you just go 50 under.
Yeah. Day 2. We're going to throw it bad and score high. So
I'm in.
let's do it. Hopefully we get some shots today because both teams are bowling.
Yeah, we
Same
actually
time.
get the bowl. Yeah, we get the bowl with our other team, so that's cool.
That'll help. It's like camp all over again. I might hand over the camera. If not, I'm sorry. Not really sorry. It is what it is. So about last night, we finished trios. It was a struggle. Thought we communicated well.
Yeah.
We came home with silver. Can't be upset about that.
No.
We actually were 3 pins from gold. I mean, we could find 3 pins literally anywhere.
Literally anywhere.
Literally anywhere. It came down to the 10th frame, actually. I was the last one. I had a chance. And Kris said something prior to me. He said, and mind you, this is Kris, one of the best in the world. Wow, I'm actually nervous. So, like, it's different out here when you wear that jersey.
Yeah, that man's thrown multiple shots for 100,000.
And he's nervous. And then I get up and I'm like, wow, I'm really nervous right now.
I'm nervous. You're nervous. I'm nervous.
I didn't strike, and then Puerto Rico struck in the first one to lock us out, but it was an interesting night. We kind of did our own thing as a trios though. So we played in the same area, doing our own thing, just because we have all different styles, which was pretty cool. The other team got bronze, and the video was taken over by the girls, so I don't know what shots they got. I don't know how good they are, but we have trust in them, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, they probably did a better job than
Yeah.
me, so.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.